Your Honor, Jackson continued, it's essential to explore these interactions in depth. Imagine for a moment the fleeting words exchanged over late-night texts. He paced again, using the space to draw in his audience. An innocent, "I miss you," can shift into something far more sinister when entangled with emotions that run deep. Context changes everything, and the context here is fraught with unspoken tensions. The jurors leaned even closer, captivated by Jackson's gripping narrative. These messages were not just harmless banter, they were a signal flare in the dark, hinting at an undercurrent of affection that could breed resentment. The air in the courtroom thickened, as the spectators contemplated the raw reality behind those exchanges. Jackson paused momentarily, allowing the gravity of his words to sink in before pressing forward. This was not simply a crime. It was the tragic intersection of love gone awry and the savage repercussions it can invoke. His voice resonated, reverberating against the solemn walls, precisely striking the delicate balance between fact and emotion that defined the heart of the trial. We must seek the truth hidden within these texts, Your Honor, for in these words lies the essence of what spiraled into chaos. The courtroom buzz faded into silence, the severity of the situation coloring every gaze and breath. Jackson exhaled, heart pounding, and leaned in as he prepared for the next phase of his argument, the stakes never more considerable. Each word was carefully chosen, reflective of not just the facts of the case but of the human experience, love, loss, and the fierce nature of jealousy. The path ahead was fraught with challenge, as he navigated through the emotional depths of the trial, determined to guide the jury to a truth they could grasp and understand fully. In the end, he concluded, we must unravel this complexity, or risk allowing an injustice to remain encased in misunderstanding. Only then can we honor the lives intertwined within this tragedy and seek justice with clarity and compassion. The murmuring began anew, but this time it was different. A sense of realization whispered through the onlookers, their preconceived notions shaken by Jackson's potent narrative. Every text, every seeming joke, was a window into their souls, each one a brushstroke painting a disturbing picture. Jackson continued, his tone fervent as he pressed onward. He paced again, utilizing his physical presence to amplify his message. And when we peel back the layers of this facade, we confront the lurking resentments that can arise when loyalty is tested. He could see the questioning expressions on the jurors' faces, a mix of concern and curiosity. What begins as affection can rapidly devolve into rivalry, especially when paired with insecurities. Jackson paused, allowing the weight of his statement to linger. In this case, it's vital to probe deeper and consider the volatile dynamics that bound these individuals together, for within them lies the key to understanding this tragedy. His words resonated, echoing with the raw truth of painful human experiences as he read the faces before him, sensing a shift in their perceptions. As the courtroom settled into a heavy silence, Jackson prepared to deliver his final point, his voice steady and resolute. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, let us remember that this case is a reminder of our vulnerabilities, the passions that can lead us astray, and the critical importance of seeking justice with both integrity and empathy.